In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer journey mapping on Monday.com. We'll take you through each step to ensure you're equipped to track your client's experience effectively. Let's dive right in. Starting with creating a customer journey board, navigate to your workspace and click on plus add new board. It's a good idea to give this board a clear title such as customer journey map or client experience tracker to easily find it later. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch to tailor the board exactly to your needs. Next, we move on to adding key columns. These columns will represent different customer details and the important stages of the journey. Think about the stages relevant to your business model. Common stages often include awareness, interest, consideration, purchase, onboarding, retention, and advocacy. You can set these stages as status labels, which will allow you to quickly visualize where each customer is in the pipeline. Now let's visualize the customer journey. Monday.com offers various views to analyze progress effectively. The Kanban view is excellent for a drag and drop approach, moving customers from one stage to the next. Use the timeline view to understand how long customers spend at each phase. The dashboard view can be invaluable, tracking metrics like conversion rates and average time spent per stage. To see a graphical representation of customer distribution across stages, use the chart view. You can easily add these views by clicking plus add view and picking the one you want to explore. To streamline your process, automating customer movement through their journey is key. Access the automation section and choose add new automation to set up rules such as when status changes to purchase, move item to active clients group, or when a date arrives, notify owner to follow up. These automations can save time and ensure no customer falls through the cracks. For businesses with separate teams handling different parts of the customer journey, connecting boards can enhance cross-team collaboration. Add a Connect Boards column to link your customer journey board with other relevant boards like sales or onboarding. Using mirror columns, you can display essential data, keeping every team updated on each client's progress. Once your boards are connected, creating insightful dashboards is a fantastic way to get a holistic view of your customers' experiences. Start by clicking plus new dashboard and incorporate various widgets like the numbers widget for an overview of customers in each stage or the chart widget for conversion rates. These tools help you see the entire customer lifecycle at a glance. To capture new leads efficiently, use forms. By clicking plus add view on form, you can set up customized forms with fields such as name, email, and inquiry. Sharing these forms online automatically adds new entries to your journey board, integrating leads seamlessly into your pipeline. Monitoring customer emotions or feedback is also crucial. Add a drop-down or rating column with options like happy, neutral, or unhappy to assess overall sentiment. This feedback can directly inform improvements in your customer journey processes. Finally, regular reviews and optimizations ensure your process remains effective. Investigate key metrics like drop-off points, the duration of stages, and conversion sources to refine your strategy, all aimed at enhancing your customer experience. By consistently analyzing and adjusting, you'll maintain a tailored and efficient customer journey mapping with Monday.com.